Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to solve the Teraminx cube. So this is a 7x7x7 Teraminx. I got my own timer up here that's meant for doing big cubes. I'm scrambling this thing for about 5 hours. And I'm about ready to solve it. So this cube is gonna take me probably about between an hour and 45 minutes and 3 hours, so somewhere between there. This is a really big cube. This ain't no like 7x7 Rubik's cube. This is a Teraminx. So it's like if you solve the 3x3 and the Megaminx, you'll notice that the Megaminx takes like 5 to 10 times as long. This thing is going to take probably like 30 or 40 times as long as the 7x7. So I got it pretty scrambled. And I'm ready to start solving it. Okay, and 3, 2, 1. Alright, 15-second timer. I do need to see what. Here I go. Where is... I just cannot find that piece I'm looking for. It's gonna be really hard to find pieces you want. So I'm just gonna have to see what I can do. I'll just fill in this space right here. This algorithm takes forever on this cube. I just need to find one of these. So that'll work. Okay, I am so close to being done right now. I am solving the last layer, or whatever, last 2 layers. And then I just need to solve the last layer now. Oh man, I am so close. So close. Oh. This is the hardest part on a Megaminx. I'm just solving it like a Megaminx now. Oh, I hate it when that happens, but oh wait. Oh, come on. I just got this really bad parody that happens on a Megaminx. It's hard to fix. Oh, I better not make a mistake on this. Ah. And 3, 2, 1, done. I'm done. An hour and 35 minutes. 2 hours and 15 minutes. 2 hours and 15 minutes. Wow. I did not think I'd see this thing solved ever again. Now, but now I guess I need to put more stickers on this. Look what happened to the yellow side when I was solving it. Oh, that was a lot of work. I've never sat there and solved this thing for that long before. Okay. Now, it's only 9:23. I started at like 6:50 or something. Okay, I'm done.